Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. So guys, if the number is not available for iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone in iOS 27 and you're unable to activate your iMessage or FaceTime, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically to resolve the unavailable phone number error in iMessage and FaceTime, toggle both services off, sign out your Apple ID in the settings, restart your iPhone and sign in back. So guys, you have to simply turn off the FaceTime toggle and the iMessage toggle, and then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this your iMessage and FaceTime will be available on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to log out your device, you have to simply go to your Apple ID, and then you have to simply scroll it below and tap on sign out. Tap on sign out and sign out your Apple account, and after this restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again, and then go back in the settings and then open the apps, and then you have to go to FaceTime or iMessage, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle again. So guys, you have to simply turn this toggle again and go to the FaceTime, and from here you have to also turn on the toggle for FaceTime as well. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply turn it on, and after this you will be able to use FaceTime and iMessage very easily on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.